Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jihan Almas Ashillah with student number A1B225036. So in this video, I want to tell about our group discussion result. So for the first one is for the question number one is identify 4 English sounds in the case that students find difficult. So for the first one is the sounds in the words like thing and tang. Many students still pronounce it like ting and tang with the sounds, not the sounds. And the second one is at in the word in words like this and that. This and that. Many students still pronounce it like as the sounds like this and that. For the third is v in words like very. They still pronounce it like very, not very. And some students pronounce z as, especially at the end of words like dogs, not dogs but dogs, not dogs but dogs. They pronounce it z as, not z sound. For the second question is explaining how each sound is produced. So for the second question is for the sounds is voiceless dan fricative. It is produced by putting the tip of the tongue between the teeth and blowing air out without vibrating the vocal cords. For example, like ting and tang. And the second one is the sound as it is voiced, gentle and manner of articulation in fricative. It is made the same way as the sounds, but the vocal cords is vibrate. For example, this and that. For the fourth is V is voiced, labiodental, and fricative. It is produced by touching the upper teeth V to lower lip and vibrating the vocal cords. So we vibrating the vocal cords while we pronounce V sounds. For example, for example, very. And for the last one is Z sounds is voiced, alveolar, and fricative. So it is made by placing the tongue near the alveolar ridge and letting the air pass through while the vocal cords is vibrate. For example, like dogs and zoo. And for the last question, for the third question, just two sounds and explain why these sounds may be difficult for Indonesian learners. So we choose C and J sounds. So C is pronounced as K, like in cat, but Indonesian learners still pronounce it like cat, not cat. And the second is J sound or soft G, like in the words giraffe, or jam. Many Indonesian learners still pronounce it as giraffe, not giraffe. And for the last question is to pronunciation exercise. We find out that we have two suggestions to help students develop or enhancing their ability to pronounce in the right way. So for the exercise is they have to pronounce two words or more, two words that sounds similar, but the meaning is different. Like bowl and ball, it's lips position for like bowl and ball, like that. And the second one is by 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 practice with tongue twister, or step like for example that has a vowel. The tongue twister is she sells she sells seashells by the seashore. For the tongue twister with uh, with airflow. I think that's all for the group discussion result. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.